Are you a band director that has trumpet players who would always pinch their lips when they play in the upper register? And even when they do play in the upper register, they get no sound out of the instrument at all? What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing embouchure tips that will help you better play in the upper register on the trumpet. Here we go! Playing in the upper register is very exciting for trumpet players who can do it well. For trumpet players who can't play in the upper register, it's definitely frustrating. And one of the reasons why trumpet players can't properly play in the upper register is because they're not properly using their embouchure to be able to play in the upper register. One mistake that trumpet players often make is that when they get ready to play in the upper register, they begin to physically pinch their lips as they're going into the upper register. Let me show you an example of what that sounds like on the instrument. Physically pinching your embouchure while playing in the upper register limits your ability to play with a good and open tone, project your volume, and it also limits your ability to play even higher notes in the upper register. So as a band director, make sure that you really facilitate and let your students know not to physically pinch their embouchure when they're getting ready to play in the upper register. Another common mistake that I see trumpet players make is that they overlap their top lip over the bottom lip when playing in the upper register. Let me show you an example of what that sounds like on the instrument. When we play with our top lip overlapping the bottom lip, the top lip no longer has anything to buzz against. Therefore, we will get no trumpet sound as we get ready to play into the upper register. Even the first note in the clip that I played in didn't even respond when it was supposed to respond because my top lip was overlapping the bottom lip. So again, as a band director, facilitate your trumpet players and let them know when their sound becomes airy or they don't get no sound at all, to make sure that their lips are even and make sure that their top lip isn't overlapping the bottom lip like this. So make sure that the lips are even as you're playing in the upper register. So when we're not pinching our lips and when our top lip is not overlapping the bottom lip, we get a good and open tone. We're able to project our sound, and we're also able to play even higher notes when we make sure that our lips are together and we're not pinching our lips. Let me show you a clip of what that sounds like on the instrument. So there are definitely other tips in terms of playing in the upper register besides making sure that you're properly using your embouchure when playing in the upper register. But I'll get to those tips in later videos. So there you have it. Those are some embouchure tips that you should use as a trumpet player to help you play better in the upper register. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See y'all in the next video.